So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Crowdstrike Holdings, and if you look at the long-term chart, so we have the data available since 2019, so second half of 2019, and so we have 1 year of data. And now with the March lows, the stock has already moved probably 300% of the upside. But if you look at the entire trend, you will find that the stock has moved from various support levels, and it has broken various resistance level on the upside, and then it is moving up with strength. So if you just try to analyze and identify the overall trend, you will find that this was your important resistance level, which now will be acting as a support level on the upside if it falls down from the upside. Now this entire range, okay, this entire range will act as your support level. Now you have another level like this, and then you have your low like this. Okay, so this was one half of the trend. Now if you look forward, then you have this range. Okay, you have this one because there is a gap, so we can consider it as your support and resistance level. Now you have this. Okay, and this, and finally this one, and your big resistance will come near 151. So you can see how the stock is moving with strength. Okay, now if you analyze the stock, you will have your first support at 118, then you have your second support at 102, then you have 94, 95 or dollars, and probably you have 91. So for the time being I am just restricting myself till $91 on the downside. Okay, now the next question, or the most important question one should ask, that what will be the upcoming levels one should look for. Okay, because obviously when the stock moves up from your current price level or the price level at which you purchase the stock, then only you will make money if you are not trading on the stock or if you are not in F&O future and option. Okay, so for that the stock first needs to make a breakout above 152 dollars, where you can see that the trend is positive. So once the stock goes and sustain above $152, then only, or probably $153, then only a new trend will start. So this is the first thing which you need to understand here. Okay, once that will happen and the stock first make a breakout and sustain above 153, which will probably indicate, or which will definitely, I can say, indicate that a new trend has already begun or about to begin, then we can look for a target of 165 on the upside. Okay, but this 165 will definitely be a short-term target and not long-term target. So what we can do for a long-term target is probably we can divide the trend into two parts, this entire range, because if you see, this highlighted section was your first part. So from 102 it fallen down to 32 odd dollars, then again it went up to 102 and corrected, consolidated a bit, and then went up, and it's been consolidating since 2020 and then 2028 for the last 2 months of 2020, and finally before it finally make a breakout. So in that sense we can consider this section, this highlighted area as a single section, and after the breakout we can consider it as a next section or a different section. So in that sense what we can do here, we can simply calculate the length of this trend, which indicates 240 odd percent, and simply apply, because it has made a breakout, and simply apply the same percentage on the upside, which can just a bit, yep, same percentage on the upside, which will give us a target of $296 over a period of multiple months. I could say years, but looking at the trends, it can move very fast, but we need to stick with the timeline, because we are expecting the things to happen in a normal way and not like in an accelerated way. So if things happen in an accelerated way, you know your big target, so you can take your decisions accordingly. But what we are expecting is that the stock could reach in the way in which stock market behaves normally, and not like the fashion in which a stock can move 10-20 times in a span of 1 or 2 months. Okay, so if it happens, you can take your decision accordingly. Otherwise we are considering a suitable amount of time for this particular script. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.